Hi everyone, I'm Claudia. Let's learn how to crochet a cross using double crochets. I'm using number 3 sport yarn and a 4mm crochet hook. Start by making a slip knot. Cross the yarn over itself and push the top of the short piece through the loop, creating another loop. Place the hook into the loop and gently pull the yarn to tighten it. Make 5 chain stitches. Place the yarn over the hook, twist the hook, and pull through the loop that's on the hook. Yarn over, twist, pull through. Yarn over, twist, pull through. Yarn over, twist, pull through. And repeat this process until you have made 5 chain stitches. You're going to connect the stitch that's on your hook with the first stitch you made. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch, yarn over the hook, and pull through both loops, and that creates a center space that we're going to be crocheting into. Make 3 chain stitches, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and that serves as the first double crochet of this cluster. The cluster is made of 3 double crochets. Yarn over your hook, insert the hook into the center space that was created, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. And you just made a double crochet. Going to repeat that one more time. Yarn over your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And there you have a cluster of 3 double crochets. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, insert your hook into that center space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and that's the first double crochet of the second cluster. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We need one more. Yarn over, insert your hook into the center space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Going to make 3 more double crochets in the same center space. Insert your hook into the space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into the center space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook into the center space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, you're going to make chain 3, chain 1, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through. And you're going to make your last cluster of 3 double crochets for this round. Yarn over, insert your hook into the center space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Another double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the center space, twist, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And your last double crochet of this round, insert your hook into the center space, twist and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Going to chain 3, and you're going to connect that to the very first chain 3 that you made, which served as our double crochet. And you're going to make a slip stitch, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through, and pull that same loop through to the stitch that's on your hook. Now you're going to make a slip stitch in the next stitch. It's right under the chain, and to do that you just insert your hook, put the yarn over your hook, pull through both loops. The reason we're doing this is because you need to start the next round in the corner space. So one more time, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull that loop through the loop that's on your hook. Okay, it's nothing that you see, it just gets us back to that corner space. Now you're going to chain 3 again as the first double crochet in round 2. Yarn over your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook into the center space, twist, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, and there you have 3 double crochets. Going to make chain 3, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. You're going to make another cluster of 3 double crochets, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, twist, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you're going to do that one more time. You're going to follow that with a slip stitch and pull that loop through your hook, and then give it a little tug to tighten it. Now we're going to slip stitch across to the corner 3 times. So you're going to insert your hook right under the chain stitch and pull through. Insert your hook, pull the yarn through, and then pull through the loop that's on your hook. And now you're back in the corner. Now you're going to chain 3, and that's going to serve as the first double crochet of this cluster. And you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the space, twist, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You're going to do that one more time to make a total of 3 double crochets and chain 3. And you're going to make another cluster of 3 double crochets in that same space. Following the 3rd double crochet, you're going to make a slip stitch, go right into the space, pull up a loop, and pull that loop through the loop that's on your hook and give it a little tug. Okay, now you're going to slip stitch over to the next corner. So you're going to insert your hook into the right underneath the chain space of that stitch, pull through, and pull through the loop that's on your hook. And that just gets you into the next space. Chain 3, and 2 double crochets, and chain 3, and another cluster of 3 double crochets, all in the same space. At any time you need to pause the video, if you need to catch up or rewind a little bit, go right ahead. There's no rush. And the very last thing you're going to do after that is you're going to make a slip stitch. And give it a little tug. Okay, that's the beginning of our cross. Those are the top and side pieces of the cross. Now you're going to turn your work, and you need to slip stitch into the center space of this cluster. So you insert your hook at the top of the stitch, looks like it's under a chain, pull through the yarn, and then pull through the stitch that's on your hook, and do that 3 times until you're in the corner. Okay, once you're in the corner space, you're going to turn your work and chain 3, which will be your first double crochet of that cluster. Make 2 more in that center space, in that chain 3 space. Chain 3. And make another cluster of 3 double crochets in the center space. And please work at your own pace. If you need to pause the video at any time, definitely do it. It's no rush. Okay, once you have your last double crochet of that cluster, you're going to turn your work again, and you're going to make 3 slip stitches into that chain 3 space in the center of your stitch again. Just insert your hook, pull the yarn that's in the back, and pull it through the loop that's on your hook. Now you're going to chain 3, and that makes the first double crochet of that cluster, followed by 2 more double crochets. In the same space, chain 3, make 2 double crochets, Thank you so much for watching.